Morning. For today's video, guys, I want to share with you my son's journey after being circumcised. Yes, because he is already 9 years old, and the most important part there is he decided himself na siya jud ang magpatuli na daw siya. So, it's a lot of preparations. Of course, he prepares his private parts for the tuli, and after that, yeah, after that, it is now his day 4, day 5, day 5 of his tuli, day 4 of his tuli, and it's healing. It's almost got healed, and pero still na by discomfort, um, and a little bit pain, but still taking his medicine. He's taking his antibiotics, his mefenamic acid, and isa ka medicine katong dili mo dugo mo blood clot, and that was for 3 days. So the first day after jud sa circumcision niya is nag-cry gid siya because of too much pain na jud after mawala ng effects anesthesia. So painful na kayo sa iya, ha. So he cannot walk properly, but the wound is not bleeding. It's just sakit lang gid siya. Then kuan to siya, gibutangan na mo og kanang uh, betadine, and no, morning and afternoon gibutangan to siya og betadine. So after mga 2 days, naligo na siya by Monday. So Saturday man siya na circumcised, so by Monday naligo na siya. And amo apod nga gihunaran og kanang gilatan nga dahon sa bayabas, katong ukwa na jud kayo kanang what do you think, bugnaw na jud kaayo kay para makuha tong bandage na gibutangan man ko siya bandage after sa pagtuli. So dayon, then nakuan man gud kanang nagdugo man siya. So nauga dito ang dugo, so kinahanglan na mo siyang kuhaon kay pero hinahinay lang jud siya kay syempre sakit man to. So pagkakuha na sa bandage, wala na naman siya baliki og bandage. Hihayaan lang namo siya nga kuha na jud mag kanang free lang jud siya, wala na jud siya bandage. My son still wears kanang oversized shirt sa iyang daddy, pero kay di pa man siya pwede maka brief o maka shorts. Dayon, on the second day, on the third day, on the third day, amo na siyang gihunaran og bayabas nga gilataan, bugnaw, then naligo siya. Dayon, still continuous paghihapon ang medication. And on the fifth day, ayan, continuous lang gyapon, ligo lang siya everyday plus hunad. Then medyo ubag pagid siya gamay, but as of today, medyo naghinay na siya og kupos, hinay na siya og kagamay ang iyang wound, ang iyang samad, but still ang pain, ang sensation, na lang Japon. So, di pa dyan siya completely healed. So, mag-wear gyapon siya oversized shirt today. And, dili gyapon siya maka-wear og brief. And, purol. Ayan. Thank you. Yun lang muna as of today.